In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about preparing your gauge for winter storage during the off-season. So let's get started. When the paving season's over and it's time to pack up the gauge for winter, there are a few preventative maintenance items that should be done at the end of every season. The first step is to take inventory of your gauge and all its parts. There should be a case, a handle, an AC power supply with the cord, a DC power supply, and also the owner's manual. If you are storing multiple gauges, you want to be sure to match the serial number of the standardization plate, which is in the bottom of the case, to the serial number that is located on the bottom of the gauge. Step 2. You want to inspect the gauge for any physical damage. Check out the touchscreen, the ports on the back, the USB port, the power port. There's also the temperature sensor. And then also, now's a good time to clean off any debris or tar that might be left behind on the sensor plate. You can refer to our past YouTube video in the bottom right corner, how to clean the PQI sensor plate. Step 3. You want to pack the gauge with all of its components in its case to send back to TransTech for its annual calibration. So once again, we have the gauge, and then the components. Push these two buttons and this top piece will flap down, and now you can fit the handle, the AC charger. It kind of fits right on top of the handle. And then you have the DC charger and the power cord. Once your gauge is packed, be sure to contact the service department at TransTech Systems. The number here is 1-800-724-6306. They will walk you through everything you need to do to send your gauge back for its annual calibration. Step 4. Charge the gauge. Once you receive your PQI back from TransTech after receiving its calibration, you want to get into a monthly charging routine to maintain the life of the battery. Simply unplug the charging port cover and plug in your AC charger. The LED indicator light will go from orange or red to green when it has completed. You want to be sure to charge the gauge at least once every month while it's in storage. And that's it. As long as you follow these simple end-of-season maintenance items, you can be sure that your gauge will be ready to go when you are for the next season.